So hi everybody, this is Algebra 2 Video 1. This will be what class looks like for the rest of the year. You've probably heard by now that school's been canceled for the rest of the year, but learning has not. We are required to continue to deliver instruction. It'll look much different and we aren't going to go near as fast. We're going to do a maximum of 2 lessons per week, and all lessons will be done using ALEKS, using the quizzes like we did when we went to lab, which means that you'll have examples available to you and you'll have explanations available to you through the program. You'll also get to do the problems as many times as you want to. New videos will be put out on Mondays and Wednesdays, and all ALEKS assignments are going to be due the following Monday by midnight. So help will be available to you in 2 different ways. The first way is that every day I will be available from 8 in the morning till 4 through my school email account or through Remind. You can take pictures of problems, you can send them to me, and I'll take pictures of solutions and I'll send them back to you, or any other way we figure out for me to help you. There's another way we're going to try also. There's a program called Zoom, and what I would like you to do is sign up for Zoom. It allows us to meet real time, and we're going to do this once a week per class. If you look on my school website, there is a lot of information about what we're going to do for the rest of the school year, including a Zoom schedule. One important thing I want you to understand is if you miss your class's scheduled Zoom tutorial, you can join another class's scheduled Zoom tutorial, another of my classes. So when you join a Zoom tutorial during the schedule, be sure that you have specific problems ready. So if you look at a problem on ALEKS and you're not sure how to do it and you've tried it multiple times, just like if I was there, write it down and then I will help you with it during the Zoom tutorial. That should work pretty well, but I'll also help you, like I said, through Remind and through email. One thing I want you to understand is we're going to be really patient about this. We're going to cover as much material as we can, but I am going to stick to the things that I think that you need between now and the end of the year for whatever choice you made for your class for next year. Today's assignment, there is nothing new. It's going to be review, and it's going to be review of the following things: common angles, coterminal angles, radians and degrees, and the 6 trig functions. Pretty much what was on your last test. So there are 10 questions on the first ALEKS assignment. The next ALEKS assignments will have 15. They'll have 7 review questions and 8 new questions. Starting on Wednesday, we're going to do some more trigonometry. It's something called trig identities. The identities that you'll need are typed out and they're available to you on my website. So before Wednesday, it might be a good idea to print the 1 page of identities out. If you need it some other way, I could possibly email it to you, but you should be able to take it off of the website. I wrote them specific for our class. You can look them up on YouTube or the internet. But there's a lot of identities. I only included the ones that we're actually going to use. We'll take it very slow on the identities. It's something new. And you won't have to memorize any of it because you can use whatever resources you have because we're doing this online. And I think for Algebra 2, that's all for this first session. This is mostly for me to practice filming lessons on YouTube and posting them and making sure you can access them. I will post the link for the YouTube videos on my website. You could probably search them too. Thank you very much.